Good morning students. Today we will read comparison of adjectives second part. Okay, in first part we have read about the comparison of degree. Okay, positive degree and comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, today we will read formation of comparative and superlative degree. Okay, of adjectives. So let's see how we can form the comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. Okay, let's see first adjectives. Adjectives usually, mostly adjectives mostly are formed in comparative and superlative degree. Okay, beta adjectives mostly are formed in comparative and superlative degree by adding. Okay, formed in comparative and superlative degree. Okay, by adding er and est to the positive degree. Okay, positive degree. So student, adjective mostly are formed in comparative and superlative degree by adding er and est to the positive degree. So let's see how. Okay, like sweet, thick, tall, rich. It means what I said we add only er and est to positive degree. Like when we will make its comparative degree, then we will write here sweeter, sweetest. Okay, thicker, thickest. Okay, taller, tallest, and richer, richest. Okay, this is positive degree. Okay, these are positive degree. You can say these are positive degree. Okay, these are positive degree. These are comparative. These are comparative. These are superlative. Okay, when we positive degree means it is used alone. Okay, मतलब no comparison with anyone. इसमें किसी से comparison नहीं होता. Sweet I mean comparative degree में we can compare between two nouns and pronouns. Okay, हम दो noun और pronoun में comparison करते हैं. Sweetest means सबसे highest degree होती है superlative degree. Okay, इसमें दो से ज़्यादा में जब हम comparison करते हैं then we use its superlative degree. I hope you understood that. Okay, so second rule. Okay, by adding r or by adding r or est to positive degree ending e, ending in e. Okay, okay student, by adding R or ST to positive degree ending E, जो E से end होते हैं, like for example brave, pale, wise. You can say these words are ending, okay, are ending with E, so we will add here R or ST only, okay, like braver, braver, only we add only here R, okay, R. Then paler and wiser, okay. And when we make its superlative degree, then bravest, only ST here we add only, okay, ST. Palest and wisest, okay. So you can check here we add only ST and ST to make it superlative degree, and in comparative degree we add only, okay, R only. So you have to remember, if there is E ending of positive degree, then we will add only R or ST to make its comparative and superlative degree, okay. Now third rule, when the positive degree ends with Y and has consonant before it, okay, we change Y into IER or IEST, okay. So remember student, when the positive degree ends with Y and has consonant before it, we change Y into IER or IST. Like for example happy, and so how to write this? Pretty. Now see, it's when we make its comparative, then we will change its Y into IER, okay, and prettier, okay. And when we make it superlative, happiest and prettiest, okay student. So let's see here, IST, when we make its superlative degree, when we make its comparative, we will use IER if adjectives end with Y and has consonant before it. तो इससे पहले Y से पहले you can check here is consonant also, okay. So Y we will change into IER and IST to make it superlative and comparative degree, okay. So now if positive degree ends Y, I will not write, okay, I am only telling you, okay. If positive degree ends with Y and has vowel before it, we will not change its Y into IES, we will add only ER and EST, like gay. Here you can check Y before there is vowel, so here we will not change its Y into IES, okay. We will IER, we will write here gay, okay. we will not change its y, we will write here, we will add IER to make its comparative, and when we will make its guest, okay. When we make its superlative, we will add only EST, okay. So, and gray, grayer and grayest, okay student. So, you can check here gray, grayer, grayest, because y before there is vowel. So, we will not remove its y, we will add only ER and ST, okay. So, now student, if positive degree ends with consonant, if positive degree ends with consonant and there is vowel before it, consonant before there is vowel, we will double the consonant, like big, okay, big, fat, thin, like you can check here, this is consonant because these adjectives and are ending with consonant, okay. G, T, these are consonant, but before this consonant there is vowel, so we will double the consonant like biggest, bigger, okay, fatter and thinner, biggest, okay, fattest. So you have to, student, you have to remember these rules, okay, fattest and thinnest. We will double the consonant if any positive degree ends with consonant and before, but it's before vowel, should be compulsory, okay. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, some adjectives are formed by using more and most to the comparative and superlative degree before the positive, okay, like intelligent, okay student, like suitable, beautiful, okay. Listen, you can check here, these are positive degree, okay, these are positive degree, but when we make its comparative and superlative degree, we will add before the positive more and most, like it's when we write its comparative, we will write here more intelligent, okay student, more suitable, okay, more beautiful. I hope you understood. And when we write its superlative, we will use here most intelligent, most suitable, okay, most beautiful, okay. So these are comparative, these are superlative degree, okay. We add before positive degree more to make comparative, and we add here most to make its superlative, okay. Some adjectives don't follow any rules. Some adjectives don't follow any rules, like which are these adjectives? Like good, bad, little, okay, much, many, old. Okay, some adjectives don't follow any rule, so you can check like good, better, best, okay, bad, worse, worst, little, less, lesser भी बोल सकते हो, and latest. Okay, much, to show quantity, ये क्वांटिटी दिखाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. ओके, आई हैव टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी. मच, इट मीन्स यू कैन राइट मोर. इट्स कंपैरेटिव. मच एंड मैनी, इट्स कंपैरेटिव मोर एंड मोस्ट. ओके, ओल्ड कंपैरेटिव एल्डर और ओल्डर एंड oldest and eldest. Okay student, so like this adjective, they don't follow any rules. Its comparative superlative degree is different. Okay, like good, better, best, bad, worst, worst, bad, worse, worst, little, less, lesser, latest. Okay, much, more, most. Much is used for quantity. Okay, and many is used for number. Okay student, much is used for quantity and many is used for number. I hope you understood how to make superlative and comparative degree. Okay, so students, first one rule, we don't write double comparative and superlative degree. Okay, we don't write double comparative and superlative degree like in sentence bigger and more. Like this we should not write like this two comparative. Okay, हमें एक साथ टू कंपैरेटिव नहीं लिखने चाहिए. वी यूज ओनली वन कंपैरेटिव. ओके, लाइक यू कैन से द गंगा इज द लॉन्गेस्ट और most longest in the India. Okay, the Ganga is the longest river in the India. We can write only one. Okay, अगर हमने ऐसे दो लिखेंगे एक साथ, it means it's wrong. हम एक साथ इसको दो comparative and superlative degree एक साथ नहीं लिख सकते. We can write only one. The Ganga is the longest river in the India. Okay student, here you can check only one. It means this sentence is right. Okay, if we write two, okay, like two superlative, then it means its sentence is wrong. We can write only one. And before superlative degree, I told you the article. Okay, the article is used. Okay, so don't forget the article. It's compulsory to use before superlative degree. And okay, and we don't use double comparative and superlative degree in a sentence. Okay, now some adjectives. Okay, some adjectives like prior, senior, junior and inferior, दिस टाइप ऑफ सच एडजेक्टिव डोंट टेक देन, ओके, ये देन नहीं लेती, इन प्लेस ऑफ देन दे टेक टू, ओके, टू कंपेयर, लाइक some adjectives such as senior, prior, junior, superior, and inferior. This type of adjective, such adjective, okay, take to, ये क्या लेते हैं, टू लेते हैं, in place of then, okay. Students, some adjectives like senior, prior, junior, superior, inferior take to, क्या लेते हैं ये, to, okay, in place of then, ये then की जगह क्या लेते हैं, to, like this. For example, you can say I am senior to you, ओके, आई एम सीनियर टू यू, कि मैं आपसे सीनियर हूँ. इट मीन्स वी कांट राइट हियर देन, हम यहाँ पे देन नहीं लिख सकते, यहाँ पे हम टू ही, क्योंकि बिकॉज आई सेड दैट दीज एडजेक्टिव्स, such type of adjectives take to in place of then, okay. When we compare between two person, then we mostly use we take then, okay, but here we take to with these adjectives, okay, like senior, prior, junior. You can say you are junior to me, superior, he is superior to me, ये मुझसे superior है. So like this you can use these adjective, okay. But we will take only to in place of then, okay. Now use of elder and older, okay. Student, first read elder, okay. Elder is used only for person, okay, used only for persons, ये केवल persons के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, okay. Like you can say she is my elder sister, okay. She is my elder sister, she is my elder sister. Elder means पता चल रहा है इस वर्ड से कि elder sister मतलब मुझसे बड़ी है, okay. तो you can use here only elder, she is my elder sister, or you can use here my eldest sister has gone to America, okay. Student, you can say my eldest sister has gone to America, because here eldest means सबसे बड़ी. पता चल रहा है सेंटेंस से कि eldest means सबसे बड़ी हो गई, और ये elder means मुझसे बड़ी, okay. इन वर्ड से ही मालूम चल रहा है, ओके. बट इफ़ वी यूज़ देन, ओके, अगर हम सेंटेंस में देन का यूज़ करेंगे, देन वी विल यूज़ ओल्डर, ओके. लाइक रितु इज ओल्डर देन मी. हियर स्टूडेंट नोटिस, ओके, देयर then is being used, so we will use here older. We can't use here elder, okay. We can't use here elder, because with then we will use older, not elder. Okay, elder या eldest हम use नहीं कर सकते. Okay, and older is used with persons and things also. ये दोनों के साथ यूज़ किया जा सकता है, persons के साथ भी और things के साथ भी, बट elder केवल persons के साथ ही यूज़ किया जा सकता है. older means this building is the oldest. This building is the oldest building in the city. ओके, दिस बिल्डिंग इज़ द ओल्डेस्ट बिल्डिंग इन द सिटी. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि ओल्डेस्ट, यहाँ पे बिल्डिंग क्या थिंग्स है ना, थिंग नेम है. देन यू कैन से दिस बिल्डिंग इज़ ओल्डेस्ट बिल्डिंग इन द सिटी बिकॉज वी कैन यूज़ ओल्ड, ओल्डर एंड ओल्डेस्ट with things and persons, but elder we can use only for person. Okay, so student, these are the rules to form comparative and superlative degree. Okay, I hope you understood all the rules. So whatever examples are given in your book, you have to read them carefully. Okay, you have to read them carefully, and this is your homework, class 5th page number 61 and class 4th page number 59 in your book. You have to complete this work in good handwriting. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.